Yeah, not the most pleasant looking or appealing looking thing, but if you grew up in the Caribbean or many of the countries outside of Europe and North America, chicken feet is an ingredient we use lovingly. So today's video is very quick. How to prepare these chicken feet for cooking. Now, if you're looking for a recipe on how to use it after we've prepared it, head over to CaribbeanPot.com. I've got a lovely chicken foot soup over there. You will need the juice of a lemon and of course the chicken feet. So these are the chicken feet here. The sort of outer skin has been removed, but the odd time you may see yellow skin there. The first thing you need to do is to use a paring knife or something, scrape it off or pull it off. Now if you look here, you can see there's a tiny bit there. So I'm just going to grab my paring knife and I'll show you what it is. So that is just a tiny piece. I'm going to put that in the rubbish. But you want to go through all of them and make sure there's no dirt or any sort of that outer skin, that skin area I'm talking about there. The next thing you need to do is, once you've gone through all of them, is you notice the toenails are still on there. We need to give that a pedicure. Nobody ain't trying to eat the toenails. So what you want to do is move that over. You will put it flat on a flat surface, and that is going to go into the rubbish. So again, and the only reason why I'm not going a full blow is because that will go flying, and I'm not trying to go through this entire kitchen trying to look for chicken toenails. Yeah, so there we go. We've got it all trimmed, all of it removed. This is going to go into the rubbish. Don't even tell me about stock. That ain't doing nothing to your stock. Rubbish. The last thing I like to do before we wash it, sometimes the pad where the chicken foot sits can be a bit bigger than this. So I like to give it a cut. Just one little cut like that. Yeah, makes for more even cooking and stuff like that. So once that's all done, rubbish, we have the lemon juice now. So we're just going to squeeze that lemon juice directly in here. I like to use the lemon just to go all between, especially the bottom of the feet there. Give it a good scrub down with that lemon. Now if you wanted to use lime or vinegar, you can totally rock it like that. And then after you've gone through each one individually and give them a little scrub down, all you need to do then, rinse it with cool water, and there you go. You have chicken feet all ready for cooking. And it is a sort of tribute to the animal that gave its life to feed us when we eat the entire thing. So while some people may turn their noses on chicken feet, man and my culture, we know how to treat it the right way. FoodFAQ, Chris De La Rosa. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you'd like to see something covered, hit me a comment down below.